It's just like mental health, because like if you just didn't see anyone for like a month and just sat in a dark room or something like that, and you didn't speak to anyone, you'd just be really like let down and you just wouldn't be happy. And then if you see people like every day, play with them, then you'll be fine. Like
yeah, you feel like you have lots of people you can trust and stuff.
Skateboarding and cycling makes me feel just free, independent. Like when I'm out here, I'm on my own or I'm with my friends, and it just gives me a chance to get away from school or whatever's bumming me out that day.
I've made so many new friends, and like I've told them personal stuff, and they've literally like took me for who I am, and like they really care about me. And like every week, I can't wait to come up here, and it's just the best feeling you could have.